Have you ever wanted to launch an online store but didn't want to deal with Shopify setups, plugins, backends, or any of the tech that comes with e-commerce? Today I'm going to show you something wild. How I built this entire creator merch store, the homepage, the product grid, the about section, and even the checkout complete with payments and email in minutes using Hostinger Horizons, the only vibe coding tool with built-in e-commerce. No integrations, no coding, no templates. Just describe what you want and watch it appear. Let me show you how. All right, I'm logged into Hostinger and inside of Horizons, which is their AI-powered vibe coding tool. Like always, you can start from any of these pre-made templates, but today we're starting fully from scratch. We're going to be building a merch store for our brand, Maker Thrive, and Horizons lets you upload reference images, speak your prompt, or you can just type it in. I'm going to use a simple prompt, build a modern creator merch store homepage, use clean, minimal layout with bold typography, include a hero section, a featured product grid, section for about the creator, testimonials, email sign-up bar, footer, and then I also just gave it the design vibe. I'm going to go ahead and click generate. And then you'll see the agent immediately start streaming the code and assembling the layout. So something that's really cool and that I really appreciate is that the agent actually asks some clarifying questions. It's asking, what accent color would you like me to add to make it really stand out? So it gives me a couple examples. I'm going to go ahead and say neon green. And then I'm going to send that and it's going to begin updating it. So depending on your use case or what you're prompting the agent to do, it'll ask you a couple clarifying questions such as your tone or style. Do you want product categories? Should this be e-commerce enabled? So these are all really good questions that it should know beforehand before it goes through and builds out the code. If you've been vibe coding for a while now, you know if you don't clarify things early in the beginning, then that's going to make things 10 times harder for you once you get pretty far along. So I really appreciate that it does this. So it's gone ahead and integrated the neon green throughout my store. Before we continue chatting, let's go ahead and take a look at what it generated. Just so you know, that took about maybe 2 minutes for it to generate this store. So let's see what we got. Okay, so we have a really nice hero, official creator merch. We have a really nice H2. We have a nice call to action. We have a section for featured drops. We have an about the creator section, testimonials, and then a nice section to capture emails, and then a super clean footer. This looks very legit for a single prompt. And of course, it's fully responsive. So let's try it out in mobile view. Everything looks super, super clean. Horizons handles mobile layouts right outside of the box. So if I want to tweak anything, I can either click edit content, and from here I can just point and click any changes that I'd like to do. So I can easily change this image. I could upload a new one. I could change this text. I already did that. Here, featured drops, and I added this month. So you can see that I have content changes updated in the chat. But another cool thing is I could just vibe code it with plain language. So if I go back to preview, I can say, change the accent color to neon pink. It's going to go ahead and start working on it. And then you can see it's rewriting the code and it's finding the correct file for this. Okay, I got a confirmation that the agent has switched the accent color. Let's see how this came out. So whenever I hover, I have a really nice pink accent. All of these accents here changed. My testimonials, and then same with the footer. So this looks really good. I could also say, update the about section to use my name, Maker Thrive. I could send that. And then it's really easy to make all of these little changes. Like I mentioned, you could do this here with natural language. You could do it in the edit content and just point and click, or you can also go into the code and edit it that way. If you're not familiar with working in code, don't be scared by it. I have zero coding experience and it's super easy to use the context clues and edit it that way, but you also have 2 other options if you're not comfortable. So let's take a look at the about section. Now we have about Maker Thrive. So it made a really clean update. That looks great. Horizons completely rewrites the code underneath. It updates the components and instantly refreshes the page for you. You can even undo over here if you don't like any of your changes. You can roll back to certain versions, or you can dive straight into the code editor like I mentioned if you want full control. So here's where this video gets fun. We're going to turn this into an actual store. Right now we just have a storefront and a landing page and it doesn't do anything, right? What we're gonna do is go to integrations here at the top, and you're gonna see options like Supabase, online store, analytics, but what we're gonna do is use online store. This is Horizon's built-in e-commerce system. This is what makes Horizons different from every other AI site builder. You don't need Shopify, you don't need WooCommerce or any other plugins. It's already built into your plan. So let's go ahead and connect this. I'm going to click online store and I'm going to click connect. Okay, so I got a message from the agent. I'll connect your online store now, integrating it with your existing design while using the e-commerce API and template files you've provided. Let me set everything up. So let's give this a few minutes while it connects to our online store, and I'll come back once this is finished. Okay, so we got a confirmation that our store is now fully connected. It's telling us that real products from our store are now displaying on the homepage. Our shopping cart is integrated with a floating cart button. We have a product detail page, we have checkout, success page, and the design is preserved. So let's take a look at this and see how it did. So now for our latest drops, we actually have some products here. These aren't the products that we're selling, obviously, but we actually have products. This all looks good, but now let's click into any of these products. We can actually see the product page. I can add different quantities. I can add them to cart. Let's take a look at our cart. We have 2 hats in our cart. If I go to checkout, let's see where it takes us. And we have a whole checkout page. So I could fill this all out. I could place an order. This front end looks really good. How do we manage our store? If I go back to integrations and click online store, I now am in the online store manager. So I can open the store manager. Okay, so now we're in this super clean dashboard of the store manager. So let's start with our first step. We need to add our first project with the help of AI. So I just added the images to the front end. I actually need to add them to the back end and ensure we have stock and all of that. So what do I want to sell? Multiple physical products. I'm going to add these product images that I just uploaded again, and then I can go in and edit their price, the variants, the inventory. I can add SKUs. I can also add the status of these items. So it's going to go ahead and create these products. Then we can go in and add all of the details. So I already have some nice names: vibe coding sticker, vibe coding cap, MT gradient logo hoodie. Looks great. 30 priced everything for me, and honestly this is exactly what I would price them. We can go ahead and select all of these and we can delete them from our store since we don't actually have those items. We can delete these, and then now I have my 3 products. So I can go in and edit this. So if I wanted the sticker price to be not $3 but $5, which is expensive for a sticker. I hope none of you are paying $5 for a sticker. And let's just say it's on discount. So we can discount it to $2. And then here's where you can really get granular with it. You can track quantity. You can add additional info sections. So if I wanted to add more text and details, we can also see that it automatically added a really nice description for us. Add a touch of laid back tech spirit to your gear with this vibe coding sticker. It goes and describes it, available in convenient 3-inch size. The sticker brings fun and inspiration wherever you stick it. We could also add a ribbon to it, so if it's a new arrival, we can add a subtitle. Down here we have options where we can manage what options this product comes in, such as size, color, and weight. I can go ahead and save that. So this is the products section. We have products. I can also import them from a CSV or an Excel file. That's super helpful if you already have an existing store and you want to migrate it over to Horizons. We can also go under categories. So we have all products. I can add a category. So I can do clothing, and then I can assign my cap and my hoodie to this category. And then I can also make another category for accessories. And then I can assign the sticker there. I can save this. So this is the category section. Moving down, we have discounts. So you can apply any discount codes. So if you have an email list or you're sharing it to your followers, you can add a discount. So we could do MT50 is a discount code. We'll keep that the same as the name. Discount will be 50, and then we're under percentage, so it'll be 50%. We could also do a fixed amount. We can apply this to all products or specific categories. So I could apply this only to the clothing, We have conditions, limit the total number of uses for this discount, set minimum purchase amount for entire cart, and then we can also set the active dates. Amazing. So let's move further down to analytics, and we can track our total sales, our total orders, average order volume, total sales by product. We can also filter this out by days. This looks really, really nice. Moving further down, we have our settings. So we have like our company information. So we can put our official company name, our logo. We have our contacts and address. We have our payments. So this is super important. You can connect to all of these different payment providers, including a manual payment. So ones that are already integrated into Horizons. So we have dLocal Go, we have PayPal, Stripe, which I would recommend, or you can add manual payments. So this would be cash, you could add checks, whatever type of manual payment, but this is super nice. So I can go ahead and easily connect my Stripe, takes me to Stripe, I authorize it, and my payment is already all set up. Moving further down, we have shipping. So we have our shipping zone. Right now, it's only set to the United States. I could create another zone and send it to the UK. I could send it to India, wherever. Checkout, we have a couple options. So shopping bag settings, show additional product suggestions in shopping bag. So we can upsell in the shopping bag. Super, super cool that we can do that. Checkout policies, terms and conditions, privacy policy. I can set these on, and I can paste a policy link from my website. Marketing consent, show opt-in checkbox at checkout. Custom options require a phone number at checkout, add a custom field to checkout. So if you wanted to collect any other type of information from your customers at checkout, this would be the place to do it. And then you can also set your store language. We also have emails, so we can send order confirmation emails, we can send shipping emails, digital file download, gift card, invoices. This is super advanced. If you're using multiple tools for your online store right now, you can cancel them all now because Horizons has it all. There's also taxes. You can add tax rules and how you want to collect taxes. So I can set any of these rules up. So if there's specific regions, I could adjust the tax for that, or VAT if it's European countries. And then you can also design and create your invoices here. So you can design how these will look. This is just the store manager. So this is extremely built out, so you do not have to use anything else. Okay, now we have our online store set up and connected to our front end. All that's left to do is publish it. To do this, all we need to do is hit this publish button here in the top right corner. And with that one click, our e-commerce store is now live. If I were using any other no-code platform, I'd have to connect a domain and a hosting provider to even get my store live. Like I mentioned before, Horizons gives you everything you need to go from idea to published site. So let's go ahead and view this. And here is our live site. We have our products fully connected. We have the sale showing for our vibe coding sticker. Let's go ahead and add this to our cart and go to checkout. So now we're at the checkout page. I can add my contact info, my full name, my state, I have my shipping address, cash, place an order. Order confirmed. This is a super cool page too. Looks very clean. Thank you for supporting Movement. Your gear is being prepared for shipment. Check your email for details. Back to shop. That looks awesome. So Vibe coded a merch store. We connected it to our online store with a single tool, complete with email, complete with payment, all of the things that are so difficult when vibe coding. This is truly amazing. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we designed a merch store, styled it with vibe coded prompts, added actual products, connected a full checkout system, and published it live for people to actually purchase things. If you want to try Hostinger Horizons, I'll leave the link below in the description. And make sure you use the code MakerThrive for an additional 10% off any plan. Please give us a like if you learned something in this video, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.